Hello and welcome to the next video of how to program your domestic hot water on your Daikin unit. To do this, we actually go into the menu function first of all. So if we press this first button here, bottom right, to get you into the menu, again you can set time and date just for the main clock itself. But on this one we're going to go to user settings to actually put in the schedules. Interesting on this one, preset values. This is actually the tank temperature and the stored temperature that you're trying to achieve. On this one we've got storage comfort at 50 degrees, storage eco at 45 and the reheat function at 48 degrees. The reheat function is kind of a 24-hour domestic hot water which is triggered by a 10-degree drop typically. That can be changed, but a 10-degree drop in the temperature of the cylinder. So let's say it gets down to 38, 37. That will automatically trigger a regeneration up to 48. We put in the timed storage comfort schedules just to guarantee a set temperature at a set time, so that you wake up to the same temperature every day, rather than perhaps almost being in the zone where it could be triggered to needing a regeneration if you just had reheat. So if we come back out of that, just to reiterate there, it's 50, 45, 48. Now if we come back to actually setting the schedules, so we know what temperatures we're trying to achieve, so now it's actually setting the schedules of the domestic hot water. Oops, I went one too far there. So we want to select domestic hot water and then select an actual schedule that we want to program this to. So there are a number of predefined schedules and also user-defined, which would be your own defined schedule. So we're going to user-defined one. That's the one we'd like to choose today. So this has been pre-populated already on this particular unit. So quite commonly, people believe that these days do not have any entries in them. With this screen, when you're highlighting Monday, everything that is going to be happening on Monday is highlighted on the right hand side of the screen. So we can see on this one here that it's going to regenerate to storage comfort, which was 50 degrees, remember, at 0500 and 1500, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So that's two bullet point schedules there where you're guaranteed a steady domestic hot water temperature for the rest of your evening or morning. And when you have that background guarantee of 48 degrees on the reheat. So to change this, again, we go down to the different days. You see they're all pretty much the same here other than Friday. So we'll go back up and choose a day. So what you do is just go over and change your hours. So if we did, let's say that was waking us up too early, we would go to 0600. And push across to go to the next stage and then choose your temperature. So on this one it would be storage comfort that we want, the 50 degree set point, and we want that ready for 6 AM. So we have a bullet pointed program in the schedule there. Keep pushing right to then take you to the next stage, and there again we're happy with that. 3 o'clock in the afternoon storage comfort. Let's just say you've had some people come back from work and you want to guarantee there's some hot water in the evening. We just take that down to say 7 o'clock, and we have a storage comfort there as well. Once we're happy with that, if you just want to copy all the days across, just literally press OK, and then you copy day, press OK again. And the days there are laid out as to which ones you want to copy it over to. So I want each one to have that same program. So I'm just going to push over, highlight the day, and highlight yes, I want that. Highlight the day, yes, I want that. Highlight the day, yes, I want that. And highlight the day, yes, I want that. And then I'm going to press OK again. That hasn't stored yet. You have to press OK again, because we've copied the day, but now we want to save the schedule that we've just defined and programmed, and we want to save it into user-defined one. So we press OK, and now it's in user-defined one. So if we go back into user-defined one now, you'll see that the storage comfort is there on the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The 10 o'clock one we had on Friday has now disappeared, and every day is the same. If we want to change a single day, We can go to Friday, interrupt this one, and let's just say I want that 10 o'clock one back again on a Friday that I had before. And I go to storage comfort, and I'm happy with that. And I don't need to copy any days because that is the only day I want to do that. So I'm happy to save schedule into user define one. It's very important you press OK after that. If we go back into user define one, we'll have a look down. All the days are the same except Friday, where that 10 o'clock is now entered. Yes, and that should now